Welcome back. We are done with the first 4 steps and now we are getting into the last step. Let me connect this to the previous node. Alright. And then to put the output data table into the Excel, we have to drag an activity called write range. This one. Inside it, again, we need to provide the input, the sheet name, and the data table wherein we need to write it. For input, this is our Excel, copy as path and provide it as an input. Sheet name is output sheet this time. Range we don't have to specify, it will automatically go to the first row and first column, and the data table which we want to write it into the Excel, that is output DT. That's it. Connected it to the previous node and we are done. We are done with this program. We have already run this program in the beginning, so I'm not running it again. I hope I was able to explain how the program was written, and I hope you realized that how easy it is to write the program for this complex business process with almost no coding knowledge and just on the programming concepts. I hope you enjoyed the hands-on exercise on UiPath. In next video, we'll talk quickly about the benefits what we could get by automating this process. Thank you.